Hello everybody, and here is another video from me, Donna. I wanted to do a vlog that catches up on an item that was bought for me on my birthday 2 years ago. It is the Nordace Siena backpack. So far the backpack has been with me on 2 cruises, and that's it so far. Hopefully Anthem of the Seas will of course be my 3rd cruise, which it will be coming along with me again. I'm not going to lie, the backpack was pricey. However, the price did come down due to a sale. I had seen it advertised and it kept popping up, like algorithms make adverts pop up all the time. And I just said to my boyfriend, I would really like this for my birthday. I think it came within 2 weeks and he hid it away and I wasn't allowed to have it until my actual birthday. So you can imagine I was getting a little bit impatient to receive it, and when I did, they weren't joking when they said about the amount of pockets in this bag. The bag has loads of pockets and pouches. Inside the main compartment of the bag is a plastic pocket that you can house an array of small travel handy items such as makeup, wipes, even perhaps small toiletries. It also boasts 2 larger pockets where you can place your portable power pack, and with the bag comes a cable inside so you can attach it to the power pack, and a small section on the side of the bag where you can plug your charger lead and charge your phone. Brilliant, right? Now there is USB-C and this bag only has USB, but it's just as good, so I have no qualms with that. There is also a larger pocket towards the back of the bag, and this can hold things like magazines, anything preferably I'd say flat that you could just slide into it, but it is quite a roomy section. But I find that when I am packing things, I try to put the flat items in there so it's not bulking out the main compartment of the bag, making it difficult to get things in there. Now on the side of the bag is 2 zippers here and here. Now these zippers also have pouches as well. So we'll open this one up, and if you take a look inside, I've already used it for some of my bits when I'm going to work or something. So I have 1, 2, 3 pouches plus this section here which overlaps the other pocket on the other side, and it is quite roomy as well, so you could probably put your cables in those as well. And on this side you also have a key holder to hang your keys on, and also a sunglasses pouch. It's like made of a felt material to stop the scratching of your lenses, and it has its obvious main pocket here as well, but no extra pockets in that side. And then it also has a drinks compartment here that you can just pop your drinks in as well. The last main pocket of the bag is this one across the back. This is the one where my laptop will be going in, and it's not really a pockets in pockets type bit. It is one whole section to be able to fit perhaps your laptop, iPad, or anything. Ideally if you had an iPad, I would put it on the inside, and this would be more ideal for your laptop as it's the whole length of the rucksack. So my laptop fits in there beautifully. I will have to hunt down the measurements for it and add them to the video. The last pocket of the bag is this one here. The bag is able to sit over a suitcase handle, so if you want to not have to wear it on your back, you can attach it to your suitcase bar. But there's also a I don't know what they call it, a thief-proof pocket, or like a safety pocket, a security pocket, so you can put important things in. So I say like your passport, your purse, because it's up against your back, and then you can zip it up and you can just, I suppose you could tuck the zip in just under there and no one would know there was a pocket there at all. The straps are quite comfortable as well, and they fit very nicely on the shoulders, and I do get a bit of pain in the back after a while when you've been carrying something heavy for a while, but these straps are super comfortable as well. I've seen a lot of people comment on the adverts, like when you see the comments on adverts and such, some of them are complaining that the zips go really quickly. Well, I've had this bag for 2 years, and I know the other day the zip did come apart, but I think I'd overstuffed it. But apart from that, the zips have held very, very well, considering the things that I have put in here and fastened it with. The zips have been quite strong as well, so I have no problems with the zips. I just have to be more careful, you know, that I don't overfill the bag towards the top, that the zips can't close and then it causes the zipper to split. But aside from that, the zips, to me, in my opinion, seem quite durable and quite tough, minus that one little incident, which I think is okay, because you can have anything where the zip comes apart if something's overfilled or something. So apart from that, it is actually quite good. And then your obligatory handle at the top as well. So that bag I have owned for the best part of 2 years, and I've had all the electrical stuff in there. It's been with me to, did we go to Disney with it? No, but I remember packing cameras and stuff in there as well, and it held really well. So I definitely say, if you're willing to part with the money and the nice colours that it comes in, I'd say maybe invest in one of these backpacks. Some people don't like the style of it, but at the end of the day, for me, it's pockets. I like things to be neat and arranged and look orderly and tidy so that I can find things better. So I definitely say, if you like pockets and pouches like I do, I'd say get that bag. But that's just my opinion anyway. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, tap on that bell. You will get a notification when another video goes online. And I'm hoping maybe one day when I start buying things, I can review them a bit more. That would be quite nice to do as well. Until that time, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon in another vlog.